Good morning, Mike here with Gutter Maids. Just kind of messing around on our new website, making sure it's user-friendly. If you got time, you can jump right on here. If you need gutter cleaning, got the online inquiry, you fill this information out quick. Drops us an email, talks about gutter cleaning, go under services, high ladder work. If you need help with any of that, changing them high to reach light bulbs, the kids got toys up on the roof, any kind of little tasks that you don't want to do. This is something the last couple of years that we've had a lot of luck with is vine removal. Minneapolis, St. Paul area, a lot of the old stucco houses have a lot of these vines. They cause a lot of damage. We've been moving a lot of vines for people. If it's not the whole house, we can trim them up. We can pretty much do whatever you want done there. And then kind of goes over, a lot of people look at gutter covers. This is a very important subject to me. A lot of people are interested in buying gutter covers. Been in the gutter business, I don't know, 15 years. I've yet to find a gutter cover that I would put on my own house. So many issues with them. This kind of explains them. Check our site out, guttermaids.com, or give us a call, 612-598-1318, guttermaids.com. Thank you.